Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we are told a motor powers a model car such that when it starts from rest, the car travels s inches in t seconds, where s is equal to 16t root t. So after t seconds, it's traveled from 0 to 16t root t. And we know it starts at 0 because we're starting from rest, so we can just think of this as the 0 position in time where it's stopped, and that's going to go accelerate, and it will, after t seconds, reach this distance. So we're asked, which of the following gives the average speed of the car, in inches per second, over the first t seconds after it starts? Well, the equation for speed, when you're looking at average speed, is the change in distance over the change in time. And if you want to have a way to remember this, then you can think, okay, we are looking for something in inches per second, so our final answer is going to be inches divided by seconds, and inches is distance, and seconds is time. So the units have to match with what we're actually calculating at the beginning. So what is the change in distance? Well, we just found it. It's going from 0 to 16t root t, so the difference is going to be 16t root t minus 0. And then what is the change in time? Well, we're going from t seconds from 0 seconds. So over this time period, we are having a change in distance of 16t root t, doing this subtraction of 0, which doesn't really do anything, but we still have to do it. It goes 16t root t inches in t seconds, which means it goes, these t's cancel, 16 root t inches per second. 16 root t lines up with b, which is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video.